In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage version control in Wix. If you've ever wished you could roll your site back to a previous state after a big change, Wix makes that easy with Site History. It automatically records a version every time you save or publish in the Wix editor, so you always have a timeline of your work to fall back on. Start by heading into the editor for your Wix website. Once you're in the editor, look up at the top bar and click Site. From that menu, choose Site History. This opens a panel showing a chronological list of versions. Each entry includes the date and time of the save or publish, and it even shows which collaborator made the change. You can also name versions, which is incredibly helpful for keeping track of milestones like homepage redesign or pricing update. If you're just getting started or don't have a Wix account yet, I've placed the link to the Wix website right at the top of the description so you can jump in quickly. In the Site History panel, browse through your versions to find a moment you want to review. To preview a version, click the arrow or select it from the list. This opens a full preview of how your site looked at that exact time. Take a moment here to check critical pages, layout changes, and any text or media you updated. Think of this like a safety checkpoint. Previewing lets you confirm you're looking at the right snapshot before you commit to anything. If the preview looks exactly how you want your site to be, you can restore it. Click Restore to revert your site to that version. Keep in mind, restoring will erase any changes made after that specific point in time. That's why it's important to use the preview to double-check everything before you proceed. After restoring, remember that your site isn't live yet. To push that restored version to your visitors, you still need to click Publish in the editor. That final publish step is what makes the restored state visible on your live site. A quick recap: open the Wix editor, go to Site, then Site History, preview the version you want, restore it if it's correct, and finally publish to make it live. Use clear names for important versions so you can find them quickly later, and always rely on the preview to confirm you're rolling back to the right point. That's it for managing version control in Wix using Site History. If you found this helpful, give it a like. And don't forget there's a link to Wix at the top of the description. Thanks for watching.